Hello my friends, today we're gonna talk about batteries and WYZE sensors. Those little cute sensors are running on batteries, and after a while, like half a year or a year, depends on you or how often they are engaged, they're gonna run out of battery. So today we're gonna take a look at what batteries specifically each of the sensors uses and how to replace them. Unfortunately, none of these batteries would work because in order to get the sensors working, we need 3-volt batteries. So this one definitely not gonna work. I just put them for the prop. The LR44 batteries is 1.5 volt. So IKEA CR 2032 or 2025 not gonna work as well, but they are good candidates. So maybe you can MacGyver something if you don't have proper batteries. So we're gonna keep those over here just in case. So first of all, we have let's talk about our sensors. We have a pure sensor over here and we have a contact sensor over here. So let's open both of them. I already have actually teared down video for those sensors and the sensor hub if you want to see in details, but right now we're just gonna concentrate on the battery replacement. So let's open first this dude. This is pure sensor. You have a little notch over on the back here. Just use something sharp like so, maybe your nail's gonna work. And over here we have a special battery called CR2450. So what does it mean? 24 is the diameter of the battery, 50 is the thickness of it. Alrighty, so yeah, as you see, this is quite a beefy battery over here if you compare to our 2032. It's the same 3-volt battery, but it's much beefier. So this battery would last much longer. Substantially longer, I believe. This battery is still okay. I just pull it out for the illustration. Technically, maybe if you are handy, you can MacGyver this battery right over here somehow, and it's still probably gonna work. Maybe you can use some duct tape and things like that. Yeah, I'm just kidding. And make it to work. Technically, it is possible. All right, let's put this side over here. Let's put it over here. I like this black eye. Let's take a look at this sensor. It's still probably easier to use your nail just like this and open it up. Alright, so we have a wee bit different battery. Come back. So this one is CR1632, which means 16 diameter, 16 millimeters, 3.2 millimeter thickness. Alright, if you compare it with this one, they are pretty close, but they are nowhere near close in diameter, so this one is not gonna fit. Well, technically, again, you can MacGyver something if you really want to, but why would you do so? To damage your case. So, in order to replace these batteries, I have come up with a list of batteries. So I was looking around and I found something on Amazon, and let's take a look what we have here. I never actually tried this brand of batteries. Don't know how good is this, but let's take a look what we have here. This is called, what kind of brand is it? Like it's LICB? Is LICB? Yeah, LICB battery technology. Yes, I think it's very legit stuff. But who cares as long as they provide us batteries. So this particular and they much cheaper than you would expect from the other manufacturers. So I just decided to give it a shot. Today we're gonna replace them and see how long is it gonna last. So I'm gonna record this day because this sensor is dead. So I'm gonna record this day, and then maybe somewhere in the future, sometime in the future, I will sync up with you to see how much time it took. Okay, so we're gonna just, as easy as pull out the peel out of the package, we're gonna just put this battery back in, plop that lid back on, and Bob's your uncle. So this sensor is supposed to be operational now. I'm not sure how to test it without having yep, if you pay attention, it's now blips. Before it was not doing that. Right, this battery put to the side. Okay, let's take a look at something else. So we have this beefy battery. Let's open another package from the same brand, LICB household batteries, 2453 volt lithium battery. Alrighty. Well, on good side, for a relatively cheap amount of money, you can get whole bunch of them. Oh yeah, I feel the heft already. They're pretty hefty batteries. And let's just plop one open, which is like a peel, and just let's put it in. Well, I mean, obviously changing the battery is like the easiest thing you can do. Alright. Yeah, this one will be harder to trigger because it's a pure sensor. You have to like hide it first, wait for then show it, and it's not working. Anyways, I'm gonna give it a try because this pure sensor is harder to trigger than just contact sensor, but this is pretty much it. In my case, this sensor just sits in one location just like that, and I don't not even gluing it to anywhere in to anything. It's just like a easily deployable and movable. This sensor is was attached via different means to the door. So yeah, again, it's kind of reusable. I can reuse that backing. So it's easy to take down and replace the battery. But if you, for example, if you have this glued to your door frame or window frame, you can just like keeping the finger like this and completely remove the whole thing, keeping this thing attached. Then replace battery and just snap it back in. Perfect. It's easy peasy. I think these batteries are best value for money you can get, but you can get any kind of brand you want, as long as you get 2450 for motion sensor and 6032 for contact sensor, you will be good. And I also do experiment how long they gonna last. Thank you guys for watching, see ya next time.